The 2016 National Assembly for Wales election was held on Thursday, 5 May 2016, to elect members of the National Assembly for Wales, now known as Senedd Cymru, the Welsh Parliament. It was the fifth election for the National Assembly, the third election taken under the rules of the Government of Wales Act 2006, and the first since the Wales Act 2014. The governing Labour Party's share of the vote fell by over 7% and 29 Labour MPs were elected, one fewer than in 2011 and two short of an overall majority. Plaid Cymru became the Assembly's second largest party and the official opposition to the Welsh Government with 12 seats, one more than before. The 11 Conservative Party MPs were elected, three fewer than in 2011. Although they did not win a single constituency, the UK Independence Party had 7 members elected through the regional lists vote. The Liberal Democrats had only 1 MPs returned, down from 5. The election was held on the same day as elections for the Scottish Parliament, for the Northern Ireland Assembly, for the Mayor and Assembly of London, and in numerous local authorities in England. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.